Before buying a corded circular saw, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. A lot of them struggle with power and precision, and that can really affect your projects.
Product number 1, Skill 50801 Circular Saw. The Skill 50801 really caught my eye with its striking red design and a strong 13-amp motor. It's priced competitively for anyone looking to tackle serious home projects. If you want reliable power and reduced user fatigue, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 13-amp motor gives you the performance needed for tough cuts, while the improved dust blower keeps your line of sight clear, meaning no more frustrating interruptions. The 51-degree bevel is perfect for a variety of cuts, making it versatile for both beginners and seasoned pros. Plus, with over 2,000 sold recently, people are clearly trusting this tool. Now, some people complained about the weight. It's true that while it's lighter than previous models, some might still find it a bit cumbersome for extended use. Here's the thing though, if you're used to heavier tools, this weight won't be a deal breaker for you. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast looking for a reliable saw for various tasks. Skip this one if you're seeking an ultra lightweight model for delicate cuts. At this price point, it offers solid value for what you get. Now, if the Skill's weight concerned you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, CC Mini Circular Saw. The CC Mini Circular Saw is a compact powerhouse, and at just $49.99, it's designed for those who want versatility without breaking the bank. If you're a DIYer needing a lightweight saw for various materials, this one deserves your attention. At just 4.8 amps, you'd think it lacks power, but the saw can hit 4,000 RPM, making it 20% more efficient than many competitors. The laser guide helps you achieve precision cuts, which is essential if you're tackling intricate projects. With 3 different blades, you can cut wood, plastic, and even soft metal, which is a major plus for anyone looking to do a bit of everything. However, some users have mentioned that the smaller size means it's not suitable for larger cuts. Here's the thing though, if you're mainly working on home projects or smaller materials, this saw will serve you well. This is perfect for you if you enjoy DIY projects and need something that's easy to handle. Skip this one if you're mainly working with large lumber. For the price, it's hard to beat the value you get here. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prioritize power and durability.
Product number 3, Skill Saw SPT 777WML01. Let's talk about the Skill Saw SPT 777WML01. With a price tag of $179, this saw is a bit on the higher end, but it's hard to ignore its lightweight magnesium construction. If you want durability without the weight, this is worth considering. The 15-amp motor is a beast, letting you cut through lumber in no time. Plus, the cut-ready depth system helps you measure accurately, which is crucial when every millimeter counts. With a 53-degree bevel capacity, you can tackle a wider variety of cuts, making it versatile enough for any project. That said, some users have pointed out that the magnesium can feel a bit less durable than steel, but honestly, I found that it holds up well if you're careful with it. If you're a professional or someone doing extensive work, this one may not disappoint. This is perfect for you if you need a lightweight saw that doesn't sacrifice power. Skip this one if you're looking for something more budget-friendly. Considering its features, the value is pretty solid. Now, if you're looking for a different brand known for reliability, the next one could be just what you need.
Product number 4, DeWalt DWE 575SB. We have the DeWalt DWE 575SB, priced around $149. With its bright yellow design, this saw not only looks professional, but also performs like one. If you want a lightweight option that doesn't compromise on power, let's take a closer look. This saw is among the lightest in its class at just 8.8 pounds. The 15-amp motor is more than capable of handling tough materials, and the 57-degree beveling capacity allows for versatile cuts. Plus, the electric brake is a standout feature. It stops the blade almost immediately after you release the trigger, which is a real safety boon. However, there are some complaints about the depth of cut capacity, which is at 2 9/16 inches. Some users wish it could handle deeper cuts, but honestly, for most home projects, this depth is often sufficient.
This is perfect for you if you prioritize safety and lightweight design. Skip this one if you need a saw for heavy-duty work with deeper cut needs. For its features, you're getting great value. Now, if depth is a concern for you, the next one might just solve that.
Product number 5, DeWalt DWE 575. Let's look at the DeWalt DWE 575, which retails for around $130.99. If you want a solid, no-nonsense circular saw that gets the job done, this is a strong contender. With the same lightweight design, it feels almost effortless to handle. This model features a powerful 15-amp motor as well, handling tough jobs with ease. The 53-degree bevel capacity offers flexibility, and it has an integrated dust blower to keep your cuts visible. That's a big deal when you're working on precision projects. However, some users have pointed out that the anti-snag guard can be a bit sensitive. Here's the thing though, if you're careful and get used to it, it becomes less of an issue over time. The performance it offers usually outweighs this minor drawback. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable saw that's easy to maneuver. Skip this one if you're working primarily with metal or need a saw with higher durability under extreme conditions. For the price, you're definitely getting your money's worth.
So there you have it. The Skill 5080-01 for power, the CC Mini for versatility, the Skillsaw SPT77WML-01 for lightweight durability, the DeWalt WE575SB for safety, and the DeWalt WE575 for dependable performance. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, so consider what fits your needs best. Happy cutting!